Many Mac users find the Keychain feature a bit perplexing. Today, we're here to shed light on this useful tool. The Keychain is a handy feature that securely stores all your passwords, credit card details, and even Wi-Fi networks. It's like a digital vault that locks away your sensitive information. Unfortunately, it can be a bit tricky to navigate, and that's where many Mac users stumble. But don't fret. By the end of this video, you'll find Keychain not just friendly, but also incredibly useful. First things first, finding the Keychain is easy as pie. Simply click on the spotlight search icon. It's the little magnifying glass at the top right of your screen. Now, type in Keychain Access and hit enter. And there you have it. The Keychain is right at your fingertips. Now that you've located Keychain, let's dive into how to use it effectively. Keychain is a powerful tool designed to keep your digital life secure and effortless. To save a password, simply enter your login details on a website or app, and Keychain will automatically suggest saving it. To find a saved password, go into Keychain Access, choose Passwords under Category, and double-click on the desired item. A new window will open, and after checking Show Password, you'll be prompted to enter your system password. This will reveal your saved password. Remember to manage access to your passwords prudently, only granting it to trusted apps. With these tips, you should be able to navigate Keychain like a pro. So, you see, Mac's Keychain isn't that daunting after all. It's a tool designed to streamline your digital world, a bridge that connects you and your digital keys seamlessly. Imagine the ease of having your passwords, certificates, and credit card details at your fingertips, all secured in one place. It's time to dive in, explore, and use Keychain more frequently. Don't hesitate to try using the Keychain feature and share your experiences. Remember, learning is always a two-way street. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on macOS.